We've got to stall out in the gold advance as it continues to test support. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exodus, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So I was hoping to see some momentum on this breakout from 2 days ago, but you can see that the purple 20 moving average was resistance the last 3 days. Although we made a slightly higher high today, you can see the sellers quickly took hold and drove price all the way back down for another test of support around this lower trend line here, which was resistance for a couple days, and a breakout on Tuesday, pullback to test it as support. Because the close is above it, we could say that the test has been successful, but that will change if there's a drop below Tuesday's low of 3,301. So that is a near-term support. If that fails, then these lower levels may be tested again. However, until then, I would anticipate a continuation to the upside. We have as I mentioned, a test of support at the trend line, but also the orange 50 moving average as well. And since they are lined up together, it creates a more significant price level. That will be true for an upside move or for a downside move. And then we have the convergence with the purple 20 moving average. Let me just zoom in a little bit more here. And you can see how they have not been that close together for some time. That shows price compression as the volatility dies down, and what comes after lower volatility is higher volatility. So if we do get a break to the upside above today's high of 3,366, I would like to see some increase in momentum to confirm that the market is recognizing that breakout and the potential significance of it because it sits within the larger bullish patterns. First this bullish pattern, then this bullish pattern, this bullish pattern, and so on. So if that doesn't happen, then I think we may see resistance again up around this high here at 3,451, and maybe there's no breakout, and that would keep gold consolidating up here around recent highs if that were to happen. All right. Anyway, the Q key levels are Tuesday's low and today's high. All right, that is it for today, traders. See you later.